Hi, it's Erin. Today I'm going to do a quick demo of this software. It's called Nichesss.com. This is a web-based software, so you just need to log in and then using it. So when you first time log into sites, you're going to find the long form. So I'm going to show you how you can use this long form and what you can write in a minute. They have a content tools, about 166 different tools. If you want to generate the images by using your text, here is the one you can choose. If you don't know what to prompt to edit, then you can use AI Art Prompt Helper to generate more better quality images for you. Here's the blog post section. We have book, content rewriter. If you need a cover letter, you can find it from here. Dating profile, email, subject, and the body. If you're trying to run the ads, here's the Facebook ads. They have Google ads, they have Instagram caption, FAQ section, job posting, the joke section. I sometimes design something funny. So if you are trying to do something like that and sell the products, your printed products, you can also try this section right here. Keyword in sentence, keyword paragraph, keyword page idea, LinkedIn, poem, the meta description, podcast, poem, product idea, tagline generator, Quora answer and questions, Reddit's, resume, review response, sales, SEO, SMS notification, social media bio, YouTube wedding invite message, and also the quizzes. So you can find a bunch of different tools from inside of Nichesss.com. I'm going to choose one of the tools, story. And then in order to create my story, then I'm going to choose the outline, use a new project, click that. And you can just say whatever you want for your project's name. So I'll say test pro, create projects. Each tool, you would need to have some text in order to generate based on that. So I would just say happy kindergarten life for a 5-year-old girl. It's just a random thing. And get content. Now I have two different ideas. The first one is introduce a 5-year-old Marika, a happy girl who loves to learn and explore. And also the second one, introduce 5-year-old girl Joy. Finally, Joy is happy and confident as she ends her year in kindergarten and moves on the next grade. If you want to have some more depth for your story, you can definitely add more text in here, up to 300 characters. You can click on get contents, more outlines for you. Now this one generated another name, introduced the 5-year-old Emma. Okay, I really need to writing more details in order to create more outlines. So if you're writing a children's book, you can also have an idea what to write by using this outline. And then with that outline, you can create a story. So I'll just go ahead and copy the first one and I would choose AI story, which is I can find it from the left side. I'll just copy and paste in here, get contents. So as you can see, it has generated some random story, but you would need to add more text. Definitely you would need to do more in order to have more better story in here. Now I'm going to show you the content rewriter. Copy and paste what I have generated before and then get contents. Introduce the 5-year-old girl Emma, and then it has now, this is Emma, a 5-year-old female. And I'll click this get contents again. It will generate the another sentence. This is Emma, a 5-year-old female. Get content again until I find the perfect one. If you choose a keyword to paragraph, I just copied and random text here. When you click on the get content, you get these results. So it's expanding based on your keyword. Let's try AI image. So I'm going to just copy a random text. Describe your image is going to be Emma is excited to attend kindergarten, and the style is going to be this one here, and the medium acrylic. It's kind of weird combination, but let's see if that works well. So now it's a processing. So I'll wait a few seconds to get the results. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay. So this is Emma and she is so excited. As you can see, the face is so excited to attend the kindergarten. If you have more prompts, better quality, but I just said Emma is excited. That's everything I did. Now I will show you how you can use a long form. Click on the create new. It will ask you to choose one of the options. So I would just say one-click post. And this is the one-click post section. The post title, I'll say, is the Nichesss AI content writer worth it? And I would choose The best results I got was the 5 sections. When you click on advanced setting, here's a professional. You can choose realistic, scientific, casual, stay as the professional, and the keywords, Nichesss, AI content writer, hit next. Now they generate the outline in a few seconds. If you don't like this outline, you can go ahead and click this one to regenerate. Or if you want to keep some of the outlines, you can just copy and paste it somewhere and then click on the regenerate and delete some of them and then add your saved outline to here and click on the generate. I will show you more details how many credits you will be using in order to use this one-click post. I will click the generate. Within a few seconds, actually it generated one blog post. Let's go ahead and check view documents. Now I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 credits to create this blog post. If you want to write more long article, you can choose 8 sections and then use the tool to add more in this article. So now it's 745 words created. If you want to fix something here, you can just highlight it and you can choose content improver, explainer, expander, keyword paragraph, rewriter, statistic, wildcard. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and the paste on the Grammarly. You can use a Copyscape or the other tools to find if that text are copied from the different websites. As you can see, if you are using the Grammarly, as you can see, it has only 2%. So what you can do is just rewrite this section. I just edited very little bit and then I got 100% original content. Of course, you have to read them. I mean, I don't recommend you to just use it and trust 100% of what the AI writes for you. So make sure read them and add more information in here because AI is very helpful, but it's not 100% gives you the information. Now, Nichesss.com offers one-time cost $59. There's no recurring payments, only $59. Unlimited tokens, that's what they say. Unlimited times you can use the Nichesss. But if you use this one-click post section, this new feature, you're going to use the credits. When you click on this question mark, you can purchase more generations, 1,000 generations per month. You will have 1,000 credits refilled every month, but you don't have to pay any extra in order to use these credits. So just pay one time $10 and get 1,000 credits generations per month. Also, AI images are the separate features, so you will need to purchase separately. You can save tons of money with this Nichesss today. What about the ChatGPT? That's the free ones. And you don't have to worry about paying any extra. But the thing is, I wasn't able to use that ChatGPT for weeks about a few days ago. And also you need to command them how to write the style. But Nichesss, as you can see, they have a bunch of different tools that it has already set up for you. So all you need to do is to find a tool and then write your text. So it will be much more shortcut for you to generate the new text. I personally use Nichesss.com. So if you're looking for something easy and convenient way to generate, you can try out Nichesss.com. And as you can see here, 6-day money back guarantee on this website. They now have 277 reviews. So you can read the reviews and find out if this tool is right for you. If you're writing a lot, creating new content could be stressful, and this software will help you speed up your business. Hopefully my video clarifies about the Nichesss.com. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any demo and review videos.